We're going on a trip, on a little trip, zipping through. 2 glasses on the head. Hi, Jai. Okay. Hi, Deja.
Hi.
Hello.
How you going on the trip? Where are we going?
Hills and
The
valleys.
hills and valleys. Let's go.
Wait, Mommy, I want to say hi.
Okay.
Hi.
Look,
That
Jam.
man next door is a hog.
Ooh, he sounds so.
The man is a hog. The man him just lighting in my box already. Oh my god.
Here we go, guys. This is the sweet, sweet Jamaica. Now live ya. The lion, you live 25 years, yeah.
Me a bus lion.
Oh, lion. Wow, feel the breeze, man. Tree, watch it, boy. A rich place. I don't live in a Bel Air. This, you know Bel Air be? Proper up the nose people around here.
Papa, trust me.
Proper up the nose people. Is this Bel Air school? See Bel Air school, a private school that you know? You have to have whole. Oh! You used to have to have whole heap of money. They must act. Oh, but them dog, everybody in Jamaican dog. All the white people them dog. But it's a nice thing. The melanin well full. Wow. You hear that bird a while ago? Did the bird that follow you? Are you a bird? You have any birds? Can you see them right now?
We just love growing here.
We love running some man and nature this. I can't wait for you to come up so Annette and visit we. You send an invitation letter. You need to come up. You need
See
to
me
come
in
up.
Manchester sign it up.
Yes.
No, I'm catch them up every
Oh,
time I
and
it.
Mr. McCarry, something to put the same way with mine. You print at home?
No, if you got the print shop,
Yes, baby.
get in ink and it connect.
You love me? I love you too, son. You have a little egg. Wow. Yes, Deja, pinky.
I have a point.
You're out of order. Your house is gonna be a mansion, papi.
That's why you're not invited. You never have to invite us, so we're not come there.
Can't bother with them. The corner there, sir.
That corner house
Right there, sir.
Alright.
The man said, don't move, fast, I'm gonna shoot you. I said, me look like me move. And it, the security guard on Tyler. When we came here, outside, in the corner, the other people were there. I've always seen that tree. Look how this look pretty through the GoPro there. Look on my hand. Look on my hand. You have to take your hand too. It's strapped.
Oh.
You get me?
Like a weed,
Mm-hmm.
They were with me last week for the expo.
Oh.
I just love how us would support me. We couldn't
Yes.
do it without them.
Oh, and you're blessed.
And alcohol.
You're very blessed.
Until they bring my bag.
So when you try this bus ride?
I've had it for a year. They're selling it to me. I just don't have the money to pay.
How much is it? How much is it?
$1 million.
How much is $1 million day?
I tell him to give me until April. April come now.
No worry about it. I mean, no worry about it. No worry about it. You can pay down, innit?
Yes, he said.
So we can arrange that.
How are you? I need
Yes.
4,090 please. Card.
Yeah, man, I need.
Sure.